part 2, and I'm in a library, so I have to whisper. What I want to do this morning is take a look at actually what's going on, so let's dive into it. If I go to this website, I can see a sounding, so vertical look at the atmosphere currently, and this, if you remember, this was the area I was looking at, so I'm going to pick this one. Okay, so I'm seeing is good mid-level lapse rates. That is good for vertical motion. The humidity and the moisture, see 44, that's not there just yet, but this little turning of the winds is there, so maybe tornadoes are chances a little bit higher than what I thought. I just checked back on the models. Maybe they're running a little bit slower, so that means the storms have less instability to work with. So the threat level overall is probably lower than what I thought. I took a screen grab of all the models. All of them are pretty much saying the same exact time, so I wanted to show that. I also want to show the dew point, so it's a measure of moisture. Anything in the lower 60s, storms are possible. So anything in this blue, storms are possible, but it's lacking really that deep moisture. The next thing I'm going to do is go to this program that I learned and click kind of the area where I think the storms are going to be the highest. Click this hour, generate the profile of like the sounding, and then kind of analyze what I see. Drum roll, please. Okay, maybe too quiet for drum rolls. This is my risk area, not the most beautiful. Slight risk and tornado risk, that's 2%, but I'm not really buying the tornado risk. I'm really buying, though, just like 2 out of 5, wind damage and maybe some hail. I'm going to wait until after the presentation to see the risk area that the Storm Prediction Center laid out, but I'm going to put it at the bottom of the screen right now. So you know, but I really don't know. Did I do good?